is my old tire's too far back in the bumper or whatever. Metal hits rock.
Goddamn highway for your ass.
There's a shovel over here.
He's not.
I'm gonna run out of gas before we get through this trail. Picture of them stacking rocks and then one with them not stacking rocks. Or actually, Kevin's really good at Photoshop. He can get them out of, or Taylor.
Yeah, but it might interfere with the alligator.
Yeah, Photoshop an alligator down there. Do you see that picture, Art? So I used to have this JK years ago. I bought it new when it first came out. And I put like a 2-inch budget lift and some 33s with it, super. And I just fucking launching this thing. I mean, enough clearance to cover a couple minivans. I mean, 6-8 feet up in the air. And there was, I don't remember what the post was on Jeep Forum. I said, oh yeah, they jumped on. I put a picture of mine. Kevin photoshopped and put an alligator underneath. I don't know how you got over that alligator or something. But I mean, everything was perfect. The shadow and everything. It was outstanding work.
I didn't Photoshop it. I used paint.
Painted it.
That's more efficient.
Alright, everybody clear?
And it was like crickets, like nobody responded. It was like, oh, no one wants the picture.
I liked Jeff's dead Stay Puft Marshmallow Man
Oh, yeah.
under his high center. That's even better.